Hey guys, today we are introducing the bluechem radiator flush. The radiator flush can clean up the deposit in the cooling system, including the alkaline scale. Also, it can prevent corrosion happens in the cooling system. Therefore, it can prolong the lifespan of the cooling system. This product is highly recommended. It's easy to use. All you have to do is to pour in the radiator or pour into the coolant and let the engine run for 15 minutes. Make sure the heating valve is open and change the coolant like normal, and you will get a longer lifespan cooling system. That's it for today. Thank you for your time. Peace out. Whoa, 1 second. So did I also forget to introduce the radiator conditioner? So the radiator conditioner also prevents the rust and scale from forming, therefore also prolong the lifespan of the cooling system, and it also improves the heat transfer of the coolant. When you are thinking about changing your coolant, think about bluechem product. It can help you prolong the lifespan of cooling system. Alright then, that's it for today. Thank you so much guys. See ya.